Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Developer. If you are new to my channel, I request you to kindly subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. So, in this video, what I am going to tell you is that we are going to start the Java development basics, like how we can develop the programs in Java, right? So, if you are new to the programming language and want to make your career in Java, then this is just a good start. You can start learning Java from this videos, and it will be the continuous videos so that you can learn all the concepts that we use in Java, right? So first of all, let's I have created some notes to make you better understand that what is the Java and what the things are available in Java, what are what are the things that are required to make or write a program in Java, right? So all these things I have mentioned in the notes. Don't worry, I will give provide you these notes and the tutorials in your link in the description. I will give to you so that you can go to this go to my particular GitHub repository, and from there you can get that programs and all the notes that I'm writing now. So let's get started about the Java. So basically, Java is simply the programming language, right, which was developed by the James Gosling at Sun Microsystem and his teams in 1995. So, Java is a programming language for the computer, as for the humans we generally speak Hindi and English, right? As we generally talk in the Hindi and English, so to understand the contraction between the human and the computer, a programming language is required, and that is Java we are saying about, right? So Java is very popular programming language in which we can develop web-based, mobile-based, and enterprise-based application, right? So it is like means Java is very much popular, and nowadays a lot of applications like web, mobile, and enterprise. Most of the banking applications are mostly developed in the Java programming because Java is much more secure and more reliable programming language, right? So Java is an object-oriented based programming language, while other language like C is a structural based programming language. So if you have read the C or C++ in your 12th or 11th standard, or you have learned some basic of the C earlier, so C is a structural based programming language, while Java is an object oriented based programming language, right? So after that, file extension for Java is .java, while C and C++ extensions were .c and .cpp accordingly, right? So now I was saying that every time that Java is a programming language, right? So programming language is just a set of instructions, or it is a language, or it is a program that is set of instruction we generally give to the computer in form of binary, so that they can understand that what it has to operate, right? So these things are the basic introduction about Java, and I will not be going to make a PPT and also those things, because that you can generally read from the online Google, right? But what I will be doing in these videos, that I will try to make a short notes so that you can better understand that what you are going to learn, and what are the features of Java, what are the things required to write a Java program. So these things so that you doesn't get bored in the theory. We mostly work on the live programming, right? Live example, so that you can better understand what is the use of each and every instruction, right? So I will give you all these things in details in the later videos. So if you have not subscribed my channel yet, I request you to kindly subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon, because after pressing the bell icon you will get always the notification for my latest videos. So don't miss to press the bell icon, right? So Java or any programming language like C, C++, the base of any of the programming languages are the variables and data types, the operators and expressions, control flow statements, the functions or methods, you can say, the array, and the concepts of structure or object oriented things, right? So these are the basic required things for any programming language, right? So what are they? That variables, so the in the later videos I will explain you eh, about these in details, like वेरिएबल क्या होते हैं, इनको कैसे हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं, इनका यूज़ है क्या, और डिफरेंट डेटा टाइप्स कौन कौन से हैं, और इसके और क्या कहते हैं कौन कौन से ऑपरेटर्स हमारे पास हैं, जैसे कि अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेटर है, रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर है, लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर है, ठीक है। तो इन सब के हम जो है आने वाले वीडियोस के अंदर प्रोग्राम करके हम देखेंगे, और तब हम समझेंगे कि सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन जो है हम जो दे रहे हैं उसमें अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेटर का क्या यूज़ है और लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर का क्या यूज़ है, राइट। सो ये सारी चीज़ें हम अगली वीडियो में देखेंगे। अब कंट्रोल फ्लो स्टेटमेंट के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं। तो कंट्रोल फ्लो स्टेटमेंट लाइक इफ एल्स कंडीशन, स्विच स्टेटमेंट, लूपिंग, सो ये सारी चीज़ें हम लोग जो है कंट्रोल फ्लो स्टेटमेंट के अंदर कवर करने वाले हैं। फंक्शंस और मेथड, फंक्शन कह लो चाहे मेथड कह लो, बेसिकली सी, सी प्लस प्लस फॉर्म के अंदर कोई भी आप एक प्रोग्राम को एक छोटे फॉर्म के अंदर लिखते हो तो उसको एक फंक्शन के नेम से डिनोट किया जाता है, जबकि जावा में उसको एक मेथड के नेम से डिनोट कर देते हैं। डिफरेंस कुछ नहीं है, सेम चीज़ है, राइट। और एरेज क्या होते हैं, ठीक है। तो ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड, जो मैं कह रहा हूँ कि जावा एक ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है, तो ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड का एक्चुअल में कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है, उसे क्लासेस और ऑब्जेक्ट के अंदर क्यों डिवाइड किया गया है, राइट। सो ये सारी चीज़ें हम आने वाली वीडियो में कवर करेंगे। ये वीडियो जस्ट बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन था कि जावा प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज क्या है, और किसी भी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज को सीखने के लिए हमें कौन कौन सी चीज़ों को सीखने की सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, राइट। सो आई होप दिस वीडियो इज़ क्लियर टू यू what is Java and what are the required things to learn any of the programming language basics. So please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.